How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, March 17th. Monday after our significant and major tornado outbreak that unfolded Monday night, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Things have calmed down. We do have just normal thunderstorms in Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, California, Nevada, Utah, Wyoming. Tornado, wind, hail, all less than 2 and 5% in all those areas. Tomorrow, we do have a marginal risk in Iowa and eastern Nebraska. There is a small 5% hail chance with it, and the wind and tornado threat are lower than 5% and 2% in all areas. So just some, springtime thunderstorms rolling in. Day 3, we do have a marginal risk in Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, and then we do have a slight risk in Illinois and Indiana. Still day 3 outlook, so we don't know too much of threats. Probabilistic, a 15% chance of seeing severe weather within 25 miles of a point in the yellow. Same thing, but a 5% chance of seeing severe weather within 25 miles of a point in the brown. We do have a day 7 outlook. A slight risk is in place for Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Louisiana. This does, I believe, maybe. Okay, so it includes just a little bit of Norman. In the future, this could infect the OKC metro area, but only time will tell as we get closer and closer to the threat. The main threat, though, for this week is going to be the winter storm that is set to impact eastern Nebraska through Wednesday. I'll run you through the loop here. You can see it starts as rain, and then it moves through as snow, and by then it's gone. Okay. I'll show you the 24-hour snowfall via the GFS model, and then I'll show you a couple different models. I'll go to the regional here, though, so you can better see the snow in the different counties in Nebraska. So it rolls through. So this is Wednesday at around 9 a.m. Platte County, Madison County, you're probably getting maybe up to an inch already by now. Maybe half an inch up to an inch. But by noon, it forecasted you to have up to 4 or 5. And as we go up to 3, almost 10, up to 10 inches. And then as it goes on, by around 3 o'clock, I do see your snow being done. Places more extreme northeast Nebraska, Norfolk, South Sioux City, could see anywhere from 11 to 14, maybe 15 inches of snow. But this is just the GFS model. If we go ahead and we go to the NAM 3 kilometer, I hate to say it, but any models that show higher amounts early on, those are the ones you're going to want to, trust, because all models are agreeing that significant snowfall. So this is the NAM, and around 9 a.m., it shows that Platte County, Madison County line, around an inch. By 10, by around noon, again, 3 to 4, maybe 4 inches of snow. But by the end of it, it's showing 10. Anywhere from 6 to 10. I know it's long range, that's a long range, but that's the NAM 3 kilometer. If we go to just the NAM, it shows a little less, but it still shows 4 to 5. It does have, though, some significant snowfall, right? The HRRR is only going to get us to noon on Wednesday, but I do think that'll paint a big enough picture here. The HRRR shows by noon Wednesday that you could see 5 inches in Platte County, Madison County, Nance County, Boone County, Merritt County. Anywhere farther south of Merritt County, you're going to see more. Do note, it's still a couple of days away though, so the models will change as it gets closer, but everything is hinting at around 6 to 10 inches if you are in northeast Nebraska. The GFS model shows about 10 inches. Okay, GFS model is mostly one of the most accurate models when it comes to depicting weather, so make sure you heed this map. Is probably the most convincing one that I've seen with how it overlays with itself. With how it overlays, it's showing that areas that are seeing the higher amounts of snow are in the area for where the heaviest snow band rolls through in Nebraska. So we'll go here, go to the regional. So I'll extend that out. Okay, so you can kind of see here the heavier snow mounting up in northeast Nebraska. If I play just the precipitation model, they do line up fairly well. This pink right here, this is not like ice. This is heavy snowfall. This purple, that is ice. Okay, but around noon, it does highlight that the heaviest snowfall is in that Platte County area, of Lindsay, Humphrey, and the Madison County area of like Newman Grove, Madison. So it does paint a picture of some heavy snowfall totals in northeast Nebraska. And it lines up right with the GFS snowfall total map. So do keep in mind, this can change, but do know that a winter storm watch is in effect for parts and portions of northeast and eastern Nebraska. Do note, blizzard-like conditions will be a big thing with this, as there will be strong winds with this. Possible hazard type is blizzard, so this could be a potential blizzard. If not, there'll be blizzard-like conditions. So just know, anywhere from around 6, 8, maybe 10 inches of snow could fall. With the wind blowing, some spots will only be 4 inches, but other spots will be 12, 14 inches. So do keep in mind with that. But that'll be it for today's video. It's kind of a short one, but the severe weather threat has kind of died down. But I do want to focus on the snow event because it does impact me myself. But like I said, that'll be it in for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to your community if you haven't already, tell your friends and family about the channel. We're at 61 subscribers right now. I'll try to get that to 70 as soon as possible. And you know what? I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.